Man, do I have a beautiful 250 off-road rolling down shop for y'all today. This one going on my man Mike. He chose this slick blue color right here. Come out sharp, so let's check it out, guys. Now, as you can see, it is on our off-road package. Of course, we got our 3D fabricated axles front and rear, got the brace underneath. I mean, nothing better to top off this badass pit than some big mud tires, am I right? 15-inch wheel, 30-inch tire package. Just looks at home on a 250, guys. Now we'll open the tank up here. On the 250, the counterweights are an option. All right, you don't have to have them, but they sure do make it easy to open these doors up. Now what is standard are these top grates, guys. I'm never gonna charge you extra for top grates in your smoker, all right? It's just not in me, okay? Can't do it. Included in every pit. 3 grates on the bottom, 1.5-inch ball valve down there as well. TMG pits, tail true thermometers, one in each door, of course. The fold down stack is standard on the tank smoker as well. I mean, hell, we about throw everything in for free, guys. D-ring tie downs, all 4 corners. You do have to pay for those, all right? Just 25 bucks a pop, no big deal. Inside here, fully insulated firebox, 3/8 thick pipe on the inside, right with insulation, doors insulated as well. Holds heat great, makes the pit run like a dream, guys. So that is my man Mike's 250 rolling out shop today. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.